How can Asian people eat rice 3 times a day? Rice originated in China. According to archaeological data, as early as 14,000 to 18,000 years ago, China had a record of rice cultivation. Today, rice is the staple food for nearly half of the world's population. Most Asian countries eat rice for 3 times a day. Rice contains about 75% carbohydrates. In Asian countries, rice provides people with 50% of their daily energy needs. Rice is also an excellent source of protein. The protein that Asians get from rice accounts for about 45% of their daily protein requirements. Studies have shown that rice contains more than 90% of the nutrients required by the human body, such as fats, B vitamins, vitamin E, carotene, and minerals such as phosphorus, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and iron. It is worth mentioning that countries where rice is the staple food have much lower obesity rates than other countries. According to WHO data, 39.8% of people in the United States are now obese. In Japan, where rice is the staple food, only 4.3% suffer from obesity.